Your 11 Alive Storm Trackers will be tracking rain today. We are seeing a wedge pattern develop, and you know what happens this time of year. We can end up seeing some wintry weather across far northeast Georgia. We have cold air at the surface. We're going to see some moisture working its way over that cold air today, which for most of us means widespread showers throughout the day. But far northeast Georgia, with temperatures below freezing in the higher elevations, they could see a little bit of light freezing rain. So be careful if you're going to be driving there. And far northeast Georgia, there could be some slick spots, especially on bridges and overpasses. But for everyone else, the rain is going to be on the increase today. Winter is going to be making a return in terms of the temperature and how it's going to feel for us, and then unseasonably cold next week. So we're going to go from being unseasonably warm for most of this year so far, for January so far, to unseasonably cold. It's going to be quite the abrupt change. So as we head in through today, notice showers moving in. They're going to be moving from the southwest to the northeast, overrunning that cold air at the surface. So that's where we could see some of that freezing rain across our highest elevations in northeast Georgia. And then as we get towards lunchtime, that'll probably be when it's at its peak here, and the showers moving in from our southwest, starting to increase after lunch. So once we get into the afternoon, the temperature should be too warm for anything freezing, and we shouldn't have any slick spots on the roadways except for some rain out there, which of course can make it slick enough. And then we'll continue to see those showers move across on the increase. Most will be light to moderate, but widespread, so keep that umbrella close at hand. And then as we head in through the evening hours, there could be some isolated downpours, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two, but we're not expecting anything like last weekend when we had all that severe weather. So it's going to feel very chilly throughout the day. We're going to start out, it's going to feel like we're in the mid-20s, and by lunchtime tomorrow, we're still going to feel like it's near freezing. These are the feels-like temperatures, a combination of wind and temperature. We're going to feel like it's below freezing for much of the afternoon hours here. It's going to feel like 30 in Duluth, 29 in Canton, and 21 in Blairsville at about 1 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. And then taking you into the evening, even those temperatures are going to feel so chilly when the wind blows, and that continues, of course, into Martin Luther King Day on our Monday. So get ready for some big changes. Dig out the sweaters that you got for Christmas that you haven't been able to wear because it's been so darn warm. So 70% chance of rain today. This is a good day to get in and kind of get through the closet and get things straightened up since it's going to be rainy anyway. Tomorrow it'll be breezy and cool. It's not going to be a bad day. It's just going to be a little chilly, so a great day for a nice hike here around the Atlanta area. Getting into Martin Luther King Day, a very cold start. So if you're going to be out for early services commemorating Dr. King, dress warmly. It is going to be in the upper 20s, and we're going to be in the 30s for much of the day. And then getting into Tuesday, another cold one with temperatures in the mid-20s starting out and staying chilly on Wednesday and getting back closer to average on Thursday with more rain possibly next weekend.